There are numerous advantages to adding organic matter to your garden soil, including increased plant health and productivity. This method makes the soil more fertile, allowing plants to grow stronger by providing the nutrients they require. It also alters the soil's structure, allowing it to retain water while allowing air to enter. It also helps to reduce household waste and promotes environmentally friendly gardening practices. A nutrient-rich environment will help your garden grow strong and healthy. Burying kitchen waste in your garden bed is an excellent way to improve soil and promote a healthy garden. It's a simple and natural way to recycle organic waste and convert it into beneficial nutrients for your plants. Here's why you should take this approach and how it works. First, dig a deep trench in your garden bed. This trench will be where your kitchen waste decomposes, away from the surface, preventing pests and odors, and allowing the decomposition process to proceed efficiently. The depth ensures that the waste is adequately insulated and in contact with the soil, which contains beneficial microorganisms that aid in decomposition. Next, putting kitchen waste in the trench is a great way to recycle organic material. Kitchen waste, such as vegetable peels, fruit scraps, and even rotten vegetables and fruits, are high in nutrients that plants require. When these materials decompose, they release vital nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium into the soil. More types of kitchen waste result in a broader range of nutrients for your garden. This method not only reduces waste in your home, but it also improves soil fertility, resulting in healthier and stronger plants. The next step after adding your kitchen waste is to sprinkle bone meal. Bone meal contains high levels of phosphorus and calcium, both of which are essential for plant growth. Phosphorus is required for root development and flowering, while calcium aids in the formation of strong cell walls, which improves the plant's overall health. By using bone meal, you ensure that your plants receive a consistent supply of these essential nutrients as the kitchen waste decomposes. Following the bone meal, adding a small amount of fully decomposed manure is extremely beneficial. Manure contains a lot of organic matter and microorganisms, which helps with decomposition. Fully decomposed manure, also known as compost, contains beneficial bacteria and fungi that break down organic materials more quickly and efficiently. This not only speeds up the composting process for kitchen waste, but also adds more nutrients to the soil, making it even more fertile. Finally, covering everything with soil and leaving it for at least 6 weeks before planting allows the decomposition process to continue uninterrupted. This waiting period ensures that the kitchen waste has degraded sufficiently and that the nutrients are available for the plants to utilize. Doing this at the beginning of winter, when nothing is planted in the bed, allows the decomposition process to continue uninterrupted, ensuring that your garden bed is ready for planting in the spring. Please share any effective organic methods in the comments section below. Click on the video links in the description for more recipes and detailed instructions on making your own nutrient-rich fertilizers. We appreciate your time, and if you want more gardening tips, be sure to like, subscribe, and watch our other videos.